Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your LinkedIn profile permanently to remove your professional presence from the platform, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer and go to linkedin.com, then log into your account. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the left sidebar, click on Account Preferences to access account management options. Step 4. Scroll down and click on Closing your LinkedIn account to begin the deletion process. Step 5. Click Continue to proceed with closing your account. Step 6. Select a reason for leaving LinkedIn from the provided options or enter your own reason. Step 7. Enter your LinkedIn password when prompted to verify your identity. Step 8. Click Next to confirm the deletion process. Step 9. Review the information about what happens when you close your account. Then click Close Account to permanently delete your LinkedIn profile. Step 10. Check your email for a confirmation message from LinkedIn verifying that your account has been closed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.